So what we need to do is open Cricut Design Space and create a new project. First thing you're going to do is create a circle, and you're going to want it to be exactly 4 inches across. So you do 4 by 4. You're also going to want to position it at 1 by 1. This you're going to want to be a draw. So you change it to draw. Okay. Next you're going to upload your logo. For me, that's right there. You're going to want to create it in the size that you want it to be on your piece of art, and mine is centered perfectly. You're also going to want that to be a cut with no fill. Then you're going to do text if your logo does not have text built in already. Then you're going to do your text. Mine is Bad Bunny Art. I'm going to move it up here. I'm going to resize it. Oops. Now for your font choice, make sure, since you're going to make this a cut, make sure you choose a font that is a Cricut font that is a writable font. Otherwise, it will give you an outline of your font rather than the font yourself. This one doesn't look good, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to select both of these things, and I'm going to align center horizontally. Then I'm going to bring this back over into position. I'm going to take my 2 items here, group them together. Okay, now that those are grouped, I'm going to put them back where I want them, which is, this has got to go to the 1 and 1. And then this will go just like this. Okay, then I'm going to do that and attach. And I'm going to hit the duplicate again. Alright, now that we have those grouped together and attached, I'm going to duplicate. And I'm going to move the position to 6 and 1. Now you click Make It. The key here is moving these to exactly the 1 and 1 position and the 6 and 1 position. Once you've done that, you can continue. I am using the etching blade that I got on Amazon. Anyway, you place your coasters exactly on the mat in the 1 and 6 position. You create a custom material and call it whatever you want. And when you edit that, you make sure it has got full pressure and a minimum of 2 go rounds. You do not put anything in the pen tool, even though your circle is a draw. You don't want to actually draw your round. So you ignore that, and you just put your etching blade in position 2 where your blades go and process just like you would any other item.